Hello everyone, welcome to the second lecture. In this lecture we will cover installation and just about what is npm. So if you go to nodejs.org, the website will automatically detect your operating system. In my case it's Windows. You have two options for downloading. First is LTS, that is long-term support, and second is current, that is the latest version. And if you want more options for downloading, click on this download button and it will give a list of options for downloading. So once you download Node.js, double click on the executable and follow the steps and it will install Node.js on your machine. About npm, it stands for Node Package Manager. It allows you to install third-party dependencies for your project. And if you go to npmjs.com, it's the repo for npm and it's one of the biggest repo for third-party libraries. Here you can search for any dependency, like if you search for Express, it will give you information about the dependency. Express is one of the most common dependency used in Node.js. We'll further use this in our next lectures. So if you want to check if Node is installed correctly on your machine, open command prompt on your machine and type node -v and it will show you the version of the node. And also you can check the version of your npm. Type npm-v and hit enter. It will give you the version of npm. So that's it for the second lecture, guys. Thank you. See you in next lecture.